On day 3 of creation, God made the sun, moon, and stars. And He knows each one of those stars by name. But He also knows every single detail about you, from the hairs on your head to your thoughts and feelings. So today, grab your Bible and read Psalms 8, especially verses 3 and 4. And consider the work of God's hands. And that includes you. Go and make some art today, but most importantly, forget not the Lord. If you want to learn how to do this lesson and hundreds more, join us in our Bible Art membership filled with printables, art lessons, and Bible resources for kids of all ages, where we're helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.